Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and language enthusiasts, thank you for being here today. Once again, welcome to Bite-Sized Essentials. Today's topic is something that resonates with many of us: how to make a speech in English fluently and get your message across, especially for non-native English speakers. Let me tell you a little secret: the fear of public speaking is universal. But don't worry, because today, I'm going to share some tips and tricks to help you not only overcome that fear, but also speak English fluently and confidently. Tip 1. Embrace your accent. First and foremost, embrace your accent. Your accent is a unique part of who you are, and it adds character to your speech. Don't let the fear of sounding different hold you back. Instead, be proud of your individuality. Remember, it's not about sounding like a native speaker, it's about being understood. Tip 2. Slow down and articulate. One common mistake we make when nervous is speaking too quickly. Take a deep breath, slow down, and articulate your words. Pronounce each syllable clearly. This not only helps you relax, but also ensures your audience can follow your message more easily. Tip 3. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect, and it's true for public speaking too. Practice your speech multiple times, in front of the mirror, to your friends, or even record yourself. This will not only help you remember your content, but also boost your confidence. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with the language. Tip 4. Focus on key phrases. Instead of worrying about every word, focus on key phrases that convey your message. Make sure you understand the core of what you want to say. If you stumble on a word, don't panic, keep going. Your audience is more interested in your message than in nitpicking every word. Tip 5. Visual aids and props. If appropriate, use visual aids or props to support your speech. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and it can help you convey complex ideas without relying solely on language. This not only makes your speech more engaging, but also eases the pressure on your language skills. Tip 6. Connect with your audience. Engage with your audience. Make eye contact, smile, and be aware of their reactions. Remember, effective communication is a two-way street. If you connect with your audience, they are more likely to understand and appreciate your message. Tip 7. Be yourself. Authenticity is key. Don't try to be someone you're not. Speak from the heart, share your experiences, and let your personality shine through. Your genuine passion for your topic will captivate your audience more than any language perfection. In conclusion, my friends, making a speech in English fluently is not about erasing your identity or achieving flawless pronunciation. It's about expressing yourself and connecting with others. So, embrace your uniqueness, practice regularly, and remember, the more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Thank you for your time, and I hope these tips help you unlock the power of fluent English communication. Don't forget to like our videos and forward it to your friends. Subscribe to us and choose receive all notifications so you won't miss any useful updates.